Okay guys, welcome back to Creative Academy. My name is Mr. Emmanuel. I've been your usual tutor. We've talked about installation of the XAMPP. We've also installed the WordPress. I've introduced you to the dashboard. Now, how do we even access our dashboard? This is where we left. So let's assume you logged out, or probably you closed your web tab. Now, how do you get back to your dashboard? Now you open your browser. For instance, this is opened. Then you type in localhost / the name of your site. Remember, we saved it as first. Then enter. Now this is our website. This is how our website looks like. But now, what about the dashboard? Localhost / first / wp-admin. That's the new thing we're going to introduce. wp-admin, that's the wordpress-admin. This is done in every WordPress site, except it's highly customized. Except you highly customize your URL. This is done. So we have the localhost / first / wp-admin. So it takes us to the admin page. Then we hit the enter. Then it asks for that username which we had before, creative, the password which you should know, pt. Then you log in. Whoops! Welcome back. So it's as simple as that. Now, where did we get this theme or template from? Now, when it comes to your appearance, remember I told you, I touched all of this part for us. So you come to your appearance, you come to your themes. Now, this is the theme that has been activated, the 2020 theme. That's what has been activated, and that's what you're seeing here. So this is our website name. Remember, this is our tagline. This is a sample page. Hello world, your archive, your recent post. You can click on anything. Let's look at the recent post we had. You see, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete, then start editing. Now, if you notice something, this has appeared on our page. Why? That's because we're now logged in. That's why it has appeared. Else it won't be there. So we are back here. Then we have one comment, a WordPress commenter. This is a comment. So these are just to guide us. If you want to type your own comment, let's say thank you, Creative Academy. Then you post your comment. Now you post your comment. Can you see? It shows automatically. I mean, it's so sweet. You can't imagine how many PHP code you write to get this. So sweet. So when you come back to your dashboard here, remember I showed you where to see your comments. So now we have two comments. We have the creative thank you. You can unapprove. If you don't want it, you can trash it, you can spam it, you can edit it. You can edit it. So now let's come to our appearance themes. So let's work on this theme. Let's work on this one for instance, and this is our theme. Let's go back to the home page. You know, we're coming from a post, so we have the home page here. Now, what do we do? Let's come to our post, add a new post. Let's add a new post and let's see how it appears. Then now, because we're using the latest WordPress editor, which is this, it gives you this information. Just click on next, and then get started. So you add the title of the post. Let's say introduction to my blog. Then you start typing. I welcome you guys to love the blog. And yet I will be dishing out educating, let's say informative articles every day. Then when you're through with your post, you come to the side. Now we have the visibility, public. It means you want everybody to see it. Publish immediately. Then stick to the top of the blog. That means this is the first article post you want in your blog. So whenever you post a new one, it doesn't go down. That means it remains at the top. Then you can append it for review. Then you can create categories. You can see categories. Now the beautiful thing is you can create the categories here, or you create it the other place where I showed you. From here we can get back to our dashboard. Click on the dashboard. That is here, categories. You can also create your categories here, but in case you have started typing, you don't need to go there to create a category. Just add a new category. Let's say we call this information, and then we add a new category. Then we have the tag. So let's say we call this introduction. So every introduction we do, it's under our category. Then it's the enter button. The featured image, you can upload an image here. Select files. I have an image on my laptop. So the image is what represents. Okay, let's go with these. It's represent the blog. Then we set featured image. Now after setting the featured image, excerpt, that is just a summary about the blog, about the article rather. So my blog. Then post attributes, you leave this, then touch it. You have the discussions, allow comments, allow pingback and trackback. Then you can either save as draft, preview, or you publish it. Just publish it. Are you ready to publish? Publish. Now after publishing it, come here, see view post. Right click, new tab, and then bam. Interesting. Your blog has started. Information, that was the category. Introduction to my blog. Introduction to my blog. And then I welcome you guys to my blog. You understand? And then you can make a comment. Wow, I love this. Then you post a comment. Then you can see people's comments who post any comments on it. So let's go to our home page, and then this happens to be our home page. So you can see we have a title here for the first blog, and then we have another one here for the other one we made, and then you have an archive May 2020. You click on it, you see all the posts and all the blog you have for that year and that month. Information is a category. You see all the posts you have for information. So we're going to create, just as an exercise, create other posts you like. See your comment, creative on, you know, my username is creative, so that's why it's telling me that this is my username. So this is the person who made a comment. Then you have a meta tag for your site admin. You can log out your comment feed, and that's very wonderful. Just like these, you post, and then you have your page, you have your blog. Thank you. So the next video, let's look at our pages also.